Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a discussion board, teachers. So you're going to jump into your classroom. Okay, and let me make sure I am logged in as me. So I've been logging in as kiddos. Okay, so here we go. So classwork, we are going to create a question. So you want to go in and put your question just to show you how you could copy and paste from where we are putting our work. So this is my third grade science page. And Emily has put the question right here in our assignment. So I'm just going to copy this. And then I'm going to paste it. So there's our question. We do want it to be short answer. Right now we're not giving them any materials to look at before answering the question, although we could. Make sure you're picking all of your classes. Make sure that you're putting it under the topic you want it under. And I would like them to be able to edit their answers and reply to each other to keep this discussion going strong. So I am not going to grade it, although you could. And I'm going to ask my question. Now, let's talk about this. Once you've asked your question, you need to go to your actions and make sure that your children are not muted. Like, so I could say that I'm muting everybody, which means they wouldn't be able to type, which would kind of defeat the purpose of doing a discussion board. So you're going to go here, actions, unmute all of your friends so that they can talk to each other. So now let me show you what it would look like for the kiddos so that you can see how to maybe comment back to them, be part of the discussion, and just make sure that maybe if they're saying things they shouldn't, you can go in and change that. So I've already had some answers put in for my weekly assignment. So here they are right here. So I've had 2 students answer, and I've also had 1 student reply to that answer. So when I go back, on your stream page, you can kind of see everything. And also, so let's say that this student put something that they shouldn't and you don't want them to be able to type anymore. You could mute that student immediately so that they can no longer participate if they are doing things that they shouldn't. You could also reply so that the kids can see you, which is how you would do this right here. So everyone would be able to see this if I sent this in to the class. And then if I just wanted to send a reply to a student personally, not on the stream, I would click over here and I could say, I would like you to add to your answer. Or maybe if they did say something inappropriate, you could let them know that, you muted them and you will take them off in a few hours if they would like to go back and do their question correctly. So here's my question. And here's all my answers. And then you can see all of the replies to each other, and you can also be part of their discussion with the reply to each other there as well. So just wanted to show you how you could mute and reply to them as far as the whole thread, or talk to them individually. So that's how a discussion board works. Have fun.